everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about Samsung's latest budget beast, the Galaxy A16 4G. Launched in November 2024, this phone is making big noise for its specs, design, and unbeatable price, just $115. So, let's see what this device offers and whether it's worth your money in 2025. Starting with the design, the Galaxy A16 4G looks premium despite being a budget phone. It's got a glass front, plastic back, and a sleek plastic frame. It weighs around 200 grams, and Samsung even gives you IP54 dust and splash resistance, which is rare in this price range. On the front, you're getting a beautiful 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a 90 Hz refresh rate, smooth scrolling, vivid colors, and excellent contrast. With a Full HD Plus resolution, 1080 by 2340, and 808 nits peak brightness, outdoor visibility is great too. Samsung also added Mohs Level 5 protection, which gives decent scratch resistance. Under the hood, we've got the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, built on a 6nm process, efficient and reliable for daily use in gaming. Performance-wise, it scores around 387,000 on Antutu, which is solid for this range. You also get up to 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage, plus a micro SD card slot if you need more space. On the software side, it runs Android 14 with One UI 7, and Samsung promises 6 major Android upgrades. That's massive support for a budget device. Coming to cameras, on the back, it's a triple setup. 50-megapixel main sensor for sharp, detailed shots, 5-megapixel ultra-wide, and 2-megapixel macro for close-ups. It records 1080p videos at 30 FPS, and the 13-megapixel selfie camera also supports Full HD video, perfect for vlogging and social media. For battery, you're getting a massive 5,000 mAh cell with 25-watt fast charging. In real tests, it gave an impressive 14 hours and 43 minutes of active use, which means you'll easily get a full day of heavy usage. Yes, there's no 3.5mm jack, but the loudspeaker quality is very good, rated at -25.2 LUFS. You get Wi-Fi AC, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and even FM radio in some regions. Everything you need, well covered. And all of this for just $115 or around 110 euros, that's insane value. For this price, you get an AMOLED display, solid camera, great battery, and long software support. The Galaxy A16 4G is easily one of the best budget phones of late 2024 and early 2025. So, what do you think of the Galaxy A16 4G? Would you buy it as your next budget smartphone? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews every week. See you in the next one.